In this problem, we want to graph y equals 4 secant of 1/2 x. So the basic function that we're graphing is the secant function, which I have shown. The 4 in front of the secant is going to cause a vertical stretch by a factor of 4, and the 1/2 in the 1/2 x is going to cause a horizontal stretch by a factor of 2. So I have the secant function drawn with its vertical asymptotes labeled along with certain key points on the graph. We're going to start by graphing y equals secant of 1/2 x. To obtain this graph, we take the x coordinates on the graph of y equals secant of x and multiply them by 2. So instead of having a vertical asymptote at x equals pi over 2, we're going to have a vertical asymptote at x equals pi. Instead of the point pi comma -1 being on the graph, it's going to be 2 pi comma -1. After going through this transformation, we obtain the following graph. Now we want to graph y equals 4 secant of 1/2 x. The 4 in front of the secant causes a vertical stretch by a factor of 4, meaning we multiply each y coordinate on the graph of y equals secant 1/2 x by 4. So instead of having 0, 1 on the graph, it's going to be 0, 4. The vertical asymptotes will not be affected. Doing this, we obtain the following graph, which is a complete graph of y equals 4 secant 1/2 x.